Most free AI models can't make images for shorts, reels, or TikTok. That's a bold claim. So, in this video, I will prove it. And then I will show you two free AI tools that actually generate perfect 9 by 16 ratio images. If you are a content creator and you make YouTube shorts, TikToks, or reels, you have probably tried using AI images and then thought, why does this look like it's made for Facebook in 2012? When I say perfect, I mean a true 9 by 16 ratio. Not close enough, not just crop it pro, actually vertical, real ready. Let me prove my point. First, Gemini. I clearly asked for a 19 by 16 image, very clear, very polite, and Gemini gave me this. That's not 9 by 16. That's I tried energy. Next, ChatGPT. I gave him same prompt, and yeah, this one is much better. Credit where it's due. But is it perfect? Nope. I uploaded the image to an aspect ratio checker, copied the exact dimensions, and sent them back to ChatGPT. And even ChatGPT said, it's close, but not exactly 9 by 16 ratio. So yeah, even AI admits it. Now sure, paid and high-end models might fix this, but let's be honest. Most beginners don't want to pay just to post a reel, especially when you are just starting. Good news, there are free tools that do this properly. Let me show you. The first tool is Whisk. Open your browser, search Whisk, click the first link, hit enter tool. Now click the image icon at the bottom. Here's the magic part. Select 9 by 16 ratio, type your prompt and generate. It will generate perfectly sized images made for shorts, reels and TikTok. No cropping, no headache. The second tool is Meta AI Image Generator. Simply search Meta AI Image Generator in your browser, click the first link. You will land directly in the playground. And yes, it also lets you choose aspect ratio. You can click on this icon to select the aspect ratio you want, enter your prompt and generate the image. Look at that, a true vertical image ready for your reel. I hope so. These tools will help you in your content creation journey. And if you know any other free tools that help short form creators, share them below in the comment section. Your one comment might help someone win their content game. Thanks for watching. Now go make better shorts.